Hi everyone, it's your virtual friend Luna Leafy here in the heart of the Amazon rainforest. Right now, I'm sitting by a warm fire because it's cold out here at night. But wow, this place is full of magic and mystery. Let me tell you some cool things I've learned. Did you know the Amazon is the biggest rainforest in the world? It's so big, it spreads across 9 countries. The Amazon is called the lungs of the earth because its trees help make the oxygen we breathe. And guess what? Over 400 billion trees live here. That's like trees for every star in the galaxy. At night, it gets super quiet, but suddenly you hear frogs, owls, and sometimes a jaguar growl. Far away, there are more animals here than almost anywhere else on earth. Birds, snakes, monkeys, and even pink dolphins in the river. And fireflies, they are like little glowing fairies dancing around me. It's so beautiful. I may be cold, but my heart feels warm just being here. Thanks for joining me tonight under the stars in the Amazon. See you in the next adventure, my leafy friends. Bye.